Hello everyone. Looking for a clean, powerful protein to fuel your workouts without the extra sugar or lactose? Say hello to BioTechUSA Iso Whey Zero, the premium whey protein isolate trusted by fitness lovers worldwide. So what makes Iso Whey Zero so special? 100% whey protein isolate ultra-filtered for rapid absorption. Zero sugar, zero lactose, zero gluten. High protein content up to 88% per serving. Low carb and fat perfect for lean muscle goals. Made with native whey isolate processed directly from fresh milk. Mixes super smooth, tastes amazing, and comes in over 10 delicious flavors like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookies and cream, and even banana or pistachio. Iso Whey Zero is perfect after a workout in smoothies or anytime you need a quick protein boost without the bloat. Around 21-25 g of protein. Low carbs and fats. Rich in BCAAs and EAs to support muscle recovery and growth. Plus, it's made with no preservatives, no aspartame, and follows strict European quality standards. Whether you are bulking, cutting, or just staying fit, BioTechUSA Iso Whey Zero helps you build lean muscle and recover faster without compromising your nutrition. Ready to level up your protein game? Check out BioTechUSA Iso Whey Zero now, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness reviews and nutrition tips.